In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for business. Trello is a powerful tool that helps you organize tasks and improve collaboration within your team, and I'm here to guide you through the essentials in just 5 minutes. First things first, we'll need to navigate to the Trello homepage, open your web browser and type in trello.com. You'll be greeted with a vibrant interface inviting you to capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. Trello is accessible and user-friendly, making it a great option for managing business projects. Once you're there, the next step is logging in. You'll notice a login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your Atlassian account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one. It's free and straightforward. For those who already have an account, enter your email and password to gain access to your Trello workspace. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to your Trello workspace. Once inside, you'll see a dashboard that acts as the hub for all of your projects. It's a centralized space where you can manage your boards, check updates, and monitor progress at a glance. This helps ensure everything is right where you need it, boosting organization efficiency. The workspace is great, but templates can take your productivity to the next level. On the left side of your screen, find and click on the Templates section. Templates are incredibly useful as they provide preset structures that you can customize for tasks such as project management, calendar schedules, and more. Essentially, templates save time by providing a ready-to-use framework to organize your work. Now, with the templates section open, you'll want to focus on business templates specifically. Click on the business option. This will show you a range of templates tailored for professional use cases such as project roadmaps, sales pipelines, and operational trackers. Each one is designed to make business operations smoother and more streamlined. As we aim to make the most out of Trello, you'll notice there's an option labeled More Templates for Business. Be sure to click on this to explore additional templates that might be suitable for your specific industry or niche. Selecting the right template can significantly impact the way you manage tasks and collaborate with your team. And there you have it, you've just taken a significant step toward maximizing productivity by effectively using Trello for business. It's a tool designed to adapt to the way your team works, so don't shy away from experimenting with different templates and features. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find Trello as transformative for your business needs as countless other companies have. Until next time, stay productive.